This is the entire design process of designing a contemporary abstract line wall art using Adobe Illustrator for laser cutting machines version 2. Let's start by creating a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of 200 by 380 mm. This is going to be the size of our abstract wall art. Select the line tool and create a slightly angled line like this. Select both of them together and align them so the lines are overlapping each other. Now select the line, click on transform, click on reflect, and create a copy and place it on the other side of the rectangle box and align it same as the first line. Now select all of these elements together and make a copy before making any changes. Now click on Shape Builder tool, press and hold the Alt key and click on these areas to remove them. Remove the extra lines. Click on this direct selection tool and make all of the corners round. This is going to be the shape of our wall art. Now go to Object, Path, Offset Path and create a path of -10 mm. Select both of them together and click on Pathfinder tool to create a hole. Now go to Canva and search for some girl line art element so we can use it for our wall art. Choose whichever images you like and download them in PNG or SVG format. If you download it in PNG format, then open it in Adobe Illustrator, click on Image, now go to Image Trace and click on Trace. Go to Object and click on Expand. Now click on Ungroup and remove the extra bits. I'm going to use this line art and this pattern to design the second version of my wall art. I have already created a manual sketch, so I'm just going to resize them and place them accordingly. I'm going to use half of this pattern on the upper side of the face and bottom half for the lower side of the face. Select the line tool and create a line. Align it center with the pattern. Make a copy. Select them together and click on Shape Builder tool. Use the Alt key while dragging the mouse to remove the area. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help push the YouTube algorithm. Make multiple copies before making any permanent changes, as this is going to be a 3-layered wall art. Select all of them together and select the Shape Builder tool. Press and hold the Alt key and move mouse while holding the left key to remove any area, and just simply press the left key while dragging the mouse to join any area. Before merging all of them together, click on the face area and copy it. Now merge all of them together using the Pathfinder tool. Now select the Shape Builder tool and merge the face area with the outline. Now press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste the face area you copied earlier on the exact same spot. Give it a red stroke. We will score these lines during laser cutting process so we can use that outline to paint our wall art. Select all of them together and choose the Shape Builder tool. If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description. Select any color and click on these areas to convert them into a separate areas which will be used to paint. Give them red stroke. We will also score these lines during laser cutting to create outlines. Our 3 layers are ready now. Let's open them in LightBurn software and cut them out. We will cut out the blue lines and score the red lines. These are our 3 cutout layers. I'm going to paint the top layer with the matte black spray paint. This is our middle layer, and first I'm going to apply the gesso primer. I'm going to use the cream color for the facial part. For the pattern layers, lips area and butterfly area, I'm going to use 24K gold paint. This is our bottom layer. After applying gesso primer, I'm using black color for the pattern background and I'm using emerald green color for the other blank areas. Our 3 layers are painted and ready. Kind of look messy now, but let me stack them on each other so you can see the results. There you go. This is our final product. If you want to own these files, you can check the link in the description. There are also tons of free laser cut files available to download from my shop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.